Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How you guys doing? Today I'm just going to be doing fishtail braid hairstyle. So a girl requested me to do that hairstyle, so I'm here today. So I'm going to go ahead and start. Okay, I'm going to brush my hair without any tangles and knots. And I'm going to pull my hair back really tight with this comb. A elastic and then tie it at the nape of my neck. So now I'm just going to fishtail this ponytail. For that I'm going to split this into two sections. And then I'm going to start with this section. I'm going to pick up a little hair and pass it on to this one. And from this side I'm going to pick up a little hair and pass it on to this one. So I'm just going to repeat the same thing. The more little section you pick, the more detailed it will look. So I'm going to pick up hair, pass it on to this one, and then from here, pass it on to this one. I hope you can see the X formation between. It might take you a while if you're picking up little sections. If you're running late, you can pick up huge chunks and do it real quick. And tie it and mess it up a little bit. And let's just put it back. So guys, this is how it looks like. So if you want, you can just make it a little more messy. So this is the final look of the braid. I hope you like it. It's really simple and it's good, really good for office or college, school, anything like that. If you like slicked hairstyle, then you can just do it. So I'm just going to turn back again and show you guys. So this is the final look of the braid. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope you like this hairstyle. Let me know in the comments if you have more hair requests like this. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye everyone. Have a great day.